there, Jeremy here from rcnightmare.com. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a ParkZone T-28D Trojan. This is a plug-and-play model, so you basically, it's kind of similar to Losey's Bind and Drive. All you really need to do is get yourself a LiPo and a radio if you don't already have one, and you're ready to go. So some of the very basic features of this, the T-28, is quick assembly. It's got a strong brushless motor installed, 960 kV, and it's got a brushless, obviously brushless ESC installed. It's got 4 servos already installed. So if you've watched our DX6i unboxing, you see that receiver actually came with servos. This one already has them installed. I'm not sure if the ones that come with the Spectrum are an upgrade over what's in here already, but I'll probably just work with what I have for right now. You know, the paint scheme and everything else like that, pretty realistic. This is the largest item I've ever unboxed, so we'll see how this goes. I actually picked this up from my local hobby shop, Hobbytown. They're not paying me to say that. I'd be much happier if they were, but I give props where props is due. And I don't just buy stuff online. Here at RC Nightmare, we support our local hobby shop. So while we do buy some things online, we also buy things offline. Try to spread the love a little bit. This thing is massive. There it is. So I'm going to be real careful about going through this, but there's obviously some really cool things to see here. Let's take off a little bit of the tape holding the styrofoam down. And that should help free up the plane. One thing you're going to need to do when you get this thing too is make sure you solder on your Dean's connectors, if you choose to use Dean's, because it's not going to be ready to go. And if you want to bust this thing out of the box and really enjoy the plug and fly that they so happily market, you're going to need to do that. So first thing that you can get out of there is the wings. And you see it's really light. Styrofoam, I mean, everything's already installed. You can see the servos are there on both ends. And one thing I'll say, one tip I got from Medic actually that I'm going to be doing with this is a lot of people will tape the edges. Anything that could impact the ground will help strengthen them a little bit. So that's the wing. You've got obviously the most important part here. Let's take this out first. The fuselage here. This has got all the fun stuff in it. Here you'll find in the main area a couple more servos installed. This is where your LiPo battery goes. It's kind of a tight fit, but it fits in here. And one thing you're going to notice is this foam area will break down over time from just cramming your LiPo in there. So it'll break down. You can apply some tape to it and it should be okay. This is just one of the running tips I've learned. If you look at the front, let's try to get this in a different camera view. Pretty hardy, actually. You know, the prop is pretty thick. Should be able to take a couple of accidental crashes, which I'm going to have more than my fair share of. Another tip when you're going with a ready-to-fly type model, oftentimes you're going to want to upgrade the wheels if you have landing gear. They're not in here, but I bought them when I was there. A little bigger landing gear wheels, because the ones that come with it, while they're not horrible, you can get some more stable ones that are a little bit larger if you're landing in grass a lot, surfaces that aren't so level and even, which is where I'll be landing. You can get bigger tires. I think it was $12 for all 4 or something. So here you've got all the tires. And they put all the boring stuff at the bottom. You notice it does come with a replacement prop, which is nice because you nose down a couple times, this is going to be what breaks. You know, the tail, the replacement parts for the ParkZone stuff is really one of the nice things about it because they're so readily available. If you have a local hobby shop like Hobbytown or whatever, they probably carry it. And if you're a park flyer like myself, you break stuff all the time, and you want to have parts that are readily available to you. So that's really it. That is, I'm really excited. We've had about 50-mile-an-hour winds here for the past 3 days, so I have not been able to even consider going out and flying this thing. But as soon as the wind calms down, you can bet that I'm going to have a LiPo in here ready to go, and I'll be flying. So that is the ParkZone unboxing for the T-28. And you know, if you like our videos and you like we do unboxing videos and tutorial videos, all sorts of different videos, make sure you show some love and subscribe to our channel. And if you want even more information and a free RC support forum, shoot on over to rcnightmare.com. Thanks, and have a great day.